One of the interesting graphics that we have in population studies is something referred to as an age-sex pyramid, or just a population pyramid. And this is just a way of graphing age cohorts by sex. So I want you to look at these carefully and note that the left side of the population pyramid is reserved for the males in the population, and each of the bars on the graph indicate an age cohort, generally beginning at the bottom with 0 to 4 years old, and then on up to generally 75 or 80 years old and on. And on the right side of the graph are females. So this allows you to see several things at once. Number one, it allows you to see the differences, if there are any, in the age cohorts among the males and the females. It also allows you to see if there are sort of lumps in the graph where there were baby booms, or perhaps where there were times of economic depression or war in which birth rates were for some reason reduced. So little variations along the graph show sort of a little bit of the history of the population growth rate. And finally, the most important part of a population pyramid is the shape of the graph. If it's actually in the shape of a triangle or a pyramid like this, then we know that there is a very young population, and because of that very young population, we have a rapid rate of growth. And because of the youthfulness of that population, we know also that its ability to slow its growth, even by reducing birth rates, is going to be inhibited because of something referred to as population momentum. That is, the largest cohorts of the population are not even of the childbearing years yet, and so those are going to move up. And as they move up, they're naturally going to increase, even if they reduce their birth rates. That's something referred to as population momentum. If you look at a population pyramid or a age-sex pyramid in which the base of the pyramid is even with the rest of it, that's referred to as a slow growth, or maybe even a no growth rate of natural increase. And in some places you may, for example, Italy or perhaps Russia, where younger generations have decided to have far fewer children than their parents and their grandparents did, then you'll see perhaps even an inverted looking pyramid, or something that looks something like, very different from the classic rapid growth pyramid. So those are population pyramids. They're useful.